this is our crochet braids, DIY crochet braid. So I just braided this hair, dipped it in hot water, and then allow it to dry. And now the hair is fully dry. It is time for me to take it off from this wool. So I'm gonna cut off the wool and gently pull off the wool. So this is our crochet braid. So this is our crochet braid. You can see, ready to be used. This is our DIY crochet braid, ready to be used. Look at the tip of it, looking so beautiful.